Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making hand-shredded lemon chicken, a dish perfect for the summer. In a pot of water, add some Chinese peppercorn, star anise, cooking wine, ginger and some spring onion, and finally the chicken leg pieces. Bring everything to boil. Once it boils, we will cook it for 15 minutes. Combine all the ingredients listed on the description and mix well together. This amount of sauce is good for 3 chicken legs, but feel free to adjust according to your preference. Once the chicken is cooked, cool them down in ice water. Then shred the chicken into small pieces.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Sprinkle some roasted white sesame seeds for some extra flavor and toss the chicken well with the sauce. Garnish with some lemon slices and spring onion, and there you go. Perfect dish for the summer.